Welcome to the English Explorers YouTube channel.
Describing vocabulary about morning routine with simple examples. Wake up. Become conscious in the morning. Example: I wake up at 9 a.m. Get up. Leave the bed after waking up. Example: I get up right after my alarm goes off. Turn off the alarm. Stop the alarm clock from ringing. Example: even though I'm tired, I force myself to turn off my alarm and start my day because I have important tasks to do. Make the bed. Arrange the bedclothes neatly. Example: I make my bed every morning. Brush teeth. Clean your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. Example: I brush my teeth every morning. Wash face. Clean your face with water and soap. Example: I wash my face to feel refreshed. Take a shower. Wash your body under a shower. Example: I take a quick shower. Get dressed. Put on clothes for the day. Example: every morning, I get dressed for the day before I have my breakfast. Comb hair. Arrange your hair with a comb. Example: I comb my hair after getting dressed. Eat breakfast. Have the first meal of the day. Example: every morning, I make sure to eat a healthy breakfast to start my day off right. Pack a lunch. Prepare food to take with you for lunch. Example: I like to pack my lunch for work the night before to save time in the morning. Check the weather. Look at the forecast to see what the weather will be like. Example: I check the weather forecast. Leave home. Exit the house to go somewhere. Example: I leave home by 7 a.m. Commute. Travel to work or school. Example: I commute to work by train. Drink coffee. Have a cup of coffee. Example: during my break at work, I like to drink a cup of coffee to recharge and refocus. Describing vocabulary about midday routine. Start work. Begin your job tasks. Example: I start working at 9 o'clock a.m. Attend meetings. Participate in organized discussions. Example: before starting my workday, I attend meetings in the morning to prioritize tasks and set goals. Answer emails. Reply to electronic mail. Example: I answer emails after starting work. Take a break. Pause work to rest briefly. Example: I take a short break at 10:30 a.m. Have a snack. Eat a small amount of food between meals. Example: I have a snack during my break. Work on projects. Continue tasks or assignments. Example: as a freelancer, I work on my projects from home, allowing me to have flexibility in my schedule. Have lunch. Eat the midday meal. Example: I have lunch with colleagues. Run errands. Do tasks outside the house, like shopping or going to the bank. Example: I run errands during my lunch break. Call family. Phone your relatives. Example: I call my family during breaks. Describing vocabulary about afternoon routine. Continue working. Resume work after a break. Example: I continue working on my projects. Attend classes. Go to educational lessons. Example: I attend my afternoon classes. Study. Review and learn material for exams or assignments. Example: I study for my exams. Have a meeting. Gather with others to discuss something. Example: I have a meeting with my team. Take a walk. Go for a short walk to relax. Example: I take a short walk for a break. Finish work. Complete your work for the day. Example: I finish work at 5 p.m. Commute home. Travel back to your house. Example: after finishing work at 5 p.m., I commute back home by train. Describing vocabulary about evening routine. Exercise. Do physical activities to stay fit. Example: I exercise in the evening to stay fit. Cook dinner. Prepare the evening meal. Example: I cook dinner with my family. Have dinner. Have the evening meal. Example: I have dinner at 7 o'clock p.m. Wash dishes. Clean the used plates and utensils. Example: I wash the dishes after dinner. Relax. Rest and enjoy some downtime. Example: I relax by watching TV. Read a book. Spend time reading. Example: I read a book before bed. Take a bath. Wash your body in a bathtub. Example: I take a relaxing bath. Brush teeth. Clean your teeth before bed. Example: I brush my teeth before bed. Prepare for the next day. Get things ready for tomorrow. Example: I prepare my clothes for the next day. Set the alarm. Program the alarm clock to wake you up. Example: before going to bed, I set my alarm clock for 6 o'clock a.m. Talk with family. Have conversations with family members. Example: I talk with my family about the day. Journal. Write down thoughts or events of the day. Example: she enjoys writing in her journal as a way to express her feelings. Meditate. Practice mindfulness or relaxation exercises. Example: every morning, I meditate for 10 minutes to start my day with a calm mind. Turn off lights. Switch off the lights in the house. Example: before going to bed, I turn off the lights in the living room. Say good night. Wish your family a good night. Example: I say good night to my family. Go to bed. Lie down in bed to sleep. Example: I go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m. Go to sleep. Fall asleep. Example: after a long, busy day at work, I go to sleep quickly. Dream. Experience thoughts and images in your mind while sleeping. Example: she woke up smiling because she had a pleasant dream. Wake up in the middle of the night. Become conscious for a short time during the night. Example: I sometimes wake up in the middle of the night.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the vocabulary of daily routines. We hope you found these examples helpful in understanding how to describe your own daily habits in English. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building a successful routine. So start incorporating these words and actions into your daily life today. Whether you're waking up in the morning, tackling tasks in the afternoon, or winding down in the evening, mastering these vocabulary words will help you express yourself confidently and effectively. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, happy routine building!